Today I'm going to show you the sweet engine noises of my V6 Biturbo engine. And as always, some brake boost. My car is sounding so nice. But let's take a look at this sleeper build. I'm going to show you this car. This car is such a sleeper. This is just the Audi S4 B5, just fully built, but on the outside it looks totally stock. Just looks like OEM, just a really clean build. But honestly, everything has changed on this car, really everything. Nothing is original anymore. The car also runs on ethanol, but right now we are just driving on normal pump fuel, and I'm planning to make some big upcoming videos of this car showing all the built-in parts this car has. We have also two big fuel pumps inside the tank, inside the original tank. Don't miss it, hit that subscribe button. So let's make a quick pull again. Sounding so beautiful, so amazing, really. So yeah, let's go to the highway. I want to make some high gear pulls. I would love to make a pull from the fourth gear, and we have also today some quiet traffic, so I'm not going to push through all the gears. Let's first just pass the traffic. Can you hear the turbo noise? I'm going to make a first gear pull, and you will see why they call me the gearbox berserker. I know the people always tell me this is not good, I'm destroying my gearbox, but you have to know, as I told you, everything is changed on this car. We have also carbon synchronizer rings, and I have also a harder engine and gearbox spots. So the engine isn't moving so much when I'm shifting, so you can shift also better. But let's make another pull from the second gear. see this? I almost lost the control of the car. I don't know what happened, but the back tires got blocked. I think there isn't anything right with the brakes. I think this is enough for today. Thank you really much for listening. Let's see you in the